Hey guys, the long awaited and the most anticipated event is finally here. The best news for all those that lost their coin to Coinbase Pro. You know, last year around March last year, I posted the video on how to recover coins sent to wrong address, and then through that video I was able to help a lot of users recover their token that they sent to wrong address on wallet. And then I discovered that most people sent their crypto to Binance, and then I made a video calling out Binance to, help out, and other crypto exchanges to help out. But fortunately, only Binance was able to incorporate that button whenever you sent your crypto to wrong address on Binance. So you could just, I don't know, maybe they saw my video or something, but somehow something happened and they were able to incorporate that button, and then you're able to recover your crypto sent to wrong address on Binance. Only that lately they started charging about $30 fee, whatever amount of crypto you want to recover, but that's not a problem. That's good. You're just paying for a service. All right. Then one particular crypto exchange has refused to do that. All right, and that's Coinbase. After Binance, amongst the top crypto exchanges in the world, Coinbase comes number one. All right, and there's a good news right here. Right now, as I'm speaking to you right now, Coinbase just posted on their Twitter handle that you can now recover any crypto asset that you sent to a wrong address on Coinbase Pro. All right, and you can recover them to your Coinbase wallet, and I'm going to guide you through how you can do that right now. All right, so what you want to do right now is to like and subscribe to my channel, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and alert all those persons that send their crypto to wrong address on Coinbase, and let's get our funds back. All right, I know people that send about $30,000, $1,500 and more to Coinbase and are yet to recover. So let's get it back right now. Let me just show you ready.
Do you also want to have great testimonials like so many persons who have watched my videos, keep having and keep sending every single time, talking about recovered fund, money online, and so many stuff like that? So you want to be sure that you're actually subscribed to my channel, enable the notification bell button so that whenever I upload video, you'll be the first to see this video.
Okay, so I log into my Coinbase account, and then I try to follow the instruction like they said on their page, and I didn't see the option. I didn't see such option, and I looked all over the account. So I guess this was like about an hour after they made the post on their Twitter account. So I guess maybe they are still trying to implement it. All right, so this is clearly the instruction that was laid down right here, but there they say go to asset recovery page. Where's asset recovery page? Okay, if I click on this asset recovery page, this page can also be accessed from the support menu by selecting recovery crypto followed by continue. So now I just click on asset recovery page, then they say on the let's find transaction screen, enter the Ethereum transaction hash ID. Okay, I just right click that. This is the asset recovery page, and I'm not seeing any such thing like let's find transaction or something. So I guess I'm still working on it, So but in case you've got your own case, same case, this is what you need to do. In case your own case is still pending, this is what you need to do to recover it, just as laid down by the Coinbase team themselves. So on the let's find transaction screen, enter the Ethereum hash ID and crypto address you've received the unsupported asset on. Just like this is just like Binance, but the only difference is that this one is like self-recovery. It's self-recovery. You get your crypto back by yourself immediately. Binance, you have to wait for like 3 working weeks. 3 weeks or 3 weeks to 1 month before you can get your crypto back. They say once the transaction is found, which you definitely, if you actually did send it to your address, you'll be prompted to continue. Next, connect the self-custodial wallet. So now when you click on next, you'll be asked to connect either Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or your Coinbase wallet. If you don't have Coinbase wallet, you'll be prompted to create a Coinbase wallet. Okay, once you do that, if you don't have blah blah blah, okay, review the transaction summary and any associated fee, then select continue to complete transaction. So once you connect your wallet, it's just like you're trying to
swap a token via PancakeSwap or something, or via Uniswap, you have to connect your wallet. Then once you do the swap, the token reflect in your wallet, in the wallet you connected. So this is the same way this particular one actually operate. All right, so you could see a GIF file here displaying, showing the processes where you have to go through. This is where you connect the wallet. Once you connect the wallet and you confirm transaction, boom, the transaction is successful. It's already in your wallet. So like and subscribe to my channel and let me know if you actually
So you wanna hit that subscription button right now, subscribe, and see you in my next video.